Hello and welcome back to the Burdu.id channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set up special reseller pricing on your website. This feature applies to customers who are already part of a reseller group and have logged into your website. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you'll stay updated with our latest tutorials. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Customers, then select Reseller. Right now, we don't have any reseller groups yet, so let's create a new one. Enter the name. For example, Global Partners, and add a short description if needed, like exclusive pricing for verified resellers in Asia and Europe. Then click Save. Now let's refresh the reseller page. You'll see the new group we just created. Click to open it. Next, we'll add resellers to this group. Resellers are added from the existing list of customers in your store. You can use this search bar to find them easily. Keep in mind, only customers who can log in to your website will be able to see reseller pricing. Customers who cannot log in can still be assigned as resellers, but they won't get special prices. Now, let's tick the customers we want to include in this group. For example, James Smith from Los Angeles and Anna Tan from Singapore. Click Assign Reseller, then choose Group. Select Global Partners. Then click Assign a Reseller. Alright, our reseller group is now ready. So, how do we give these resellers special prices? Let's go to the sidebar and click Products. Let's say we want to give special reseller pricing for this product. Ergonomic Travel Backpack, click Edit, then open the Reseller tab. Here, under the Global Partners group, we can now set specific pricing for each product variant and enter the special reseller price for each one. It's important to note that special pricing applies only to the selected reseller group. In this case, Global Partners. If you have multiple reseller groups, for example, Asia Distributors and US Wholesale, they'll appear as separate tabs like this, so make sure you're setting the prices under the correct group tab. Now, here's something crucial to remember. Click Save once you've finished setting up all the prices. Now, let's compare what customers see. For a regular visitor who's not logged in, the product will still display the normal retail price. But for a reseller who's logged in, for example, James Smith, who's part of the Global Partners group, the product will now show the special reseller price. And that's how you set up special reseller pricing for logged-in customers on your website. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, follow us on social media for more website design tips and updates. See you in the next video.